Here are 7 unexpected takeaways from the newest research on cannabis and brain effects. 2025-2026 studies. 1. Teen brains may develop more slowly with cannabis use. The largest recent U.S. study, 11,000 plus participants, found that teenagers who started using cannabis showed slower improvement in memory, attention, language, and processing speed compared with non-users. The effect seemed stronger during key years of brain development. 2. The brain's reward system can become less responsive. A 2026 longitudinal study in the journal Nature publishing group Neuropsychopharmacology found cannabis use was associated with blunted reward anticipation, meaning normal rewards, achievement, hobbies, social success, may trigger weaker brain responses over time. 3. Cannabis may change how the brain handles stress. New research in Nature publishing group Molecular Psychiatry suggests cannabinoids can alter stress response pathways, affecting brain cells called astrocytes and changing how the brain reacts to stressful experiences. This may help explain links between cannabis use and anxiety, PTSD-related patterns. 4. Heavy long-term use may subtly affect brain structure. A 2026 meta-analysis found that frequent long-term cannabis use, especially when combined with tobacco, was associated with small but measurable differences in brain volume in certain regions involved in executive function and decision-making. 5. Working memory appears especially vulnerable. Large brain imaging studies suggest working memory, holding and manipulating information temporarily, like mental math or following multi-step instructions, is one of the cognitive functions most consistently affected by frequent cannabis use. 6. Age matters more than researchers expected. A surprising 2026 population study in older adults, 40 plus, found cannabis history was associated with different brain aging patterns, including observations of larger gray matter volumes in some regions. Researchers stress this is correlation, not proof of benefit. But it complicates the idea that cannabis has the same effect at every age. 7. The effects may not be permanent in every case. A clinical trial found mindfulness-based interventions helped improve altered reward-related brain activity in people with cannabis use disorder. This suggests some brain changes linked with repeated use may be at least partly reversible with behavioral treatment and stopping, reducing use. Big picture. The newest research shows cannabis is not a simple, good, or bad, brain substance. Effects depend heavily on age. When use begins, adolescence appears higher risk, frequency and potency, heavy, high THC use shows stronger effects. Duration of use, whether other substances, like nicotine, alcohol, are involved. Individual biology and mental health. The strongest concern in current research is still frequent use during adolescence, when the brain is still developing.